And hello everyone, I'm Katie Plasm, and today we're going to be making Minecraft using the ursina library. The thing is, ursina is more compatible with 3D games. While you could make 2D games, you could use Pygame, and the one thing that Pygame can't do is make 3D games. So today we're going to try and make a Minecraft clone following the tutorial. Trust me, the point of these streams is me trying to learn how to do different things and learn Python. I will do a devlog when the time comes and I've learned enough. So hopefully we can get that knowledge by doing these streams. So let me just go over here and over here. Yes. Now over here we have our video, and if we go inside here, you can see that we have minecraft.py open. So if we put this open, you can see we now have a really long square in the corner, and that's exactly what we've done so far. Also, if you're liking the music in the background, make sure to comment if you like it, but if you don't, I can just remove it from the next video. Anyway, we're going we're going into this game and we're gonna check it out now.
And this would also not adjust to different frame.
At test_square plus equals, yeah, so basically just the thing we did, minus equals 1. So test square minus equals 1. No, test square dot x. Yeah, also I was watching this video by bcard. So like, yeah. I also made a procedural generated world in Godot, so if you want to check that, make sure to stick around to the end of the video.
Frame rates, so this would be quite inconsistent. But
x minus equals 1. That works, yes. Also, one thing that I've learned is that inside Pygame you'd have those objects and stuff. Anything inside the screen in Ursina is called an entity. That's what I've learned so far.
But all we have to do to fix that is to add time.delta.
1 time. What?
So this is the time between different frames. So if we multiply this with the movement speed, our object is going to move in accordance with the
delta time. I know it's a delta time, but the variable isn't showing up.
Frame rate, which is going to make our game quite smooth. So now let's try it again. And there we go.
Wow! Wow! So just to say, I just really want to make that first-person controller.
This feels much better. Cool. And we could even make it a bit faster. Let's go with minus equal 4. And yeah, that feels better.
We're just building the basics of Ursina. Oh yeah, also, I'm sorry I'm getting very distracted, but if we go to, experiments, and then Python, physics sim, I managed to finish that physics sim yesterday, and also I upgraded it. So the one thing I've done is I've actually upgraded the screen. So yeah, now you can see the screen, and if I press, you can see the small Among Us balls coming. And I've also added a sort of a plane. I don't know how to add like those cubes yet, but yeah. And also I added a randant so that it spawns randomly across the entire surface. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And I also upgraded the image to make it just a tiny bit smaller for our needs.
Better. Cool. Now you could make this even more sophisticated by adding keyboard input. And for that, all you need is held keys. And from that, we just have to pass in one specific key. Let's say in my case,
If held keys A. No, I think I should do F. It's the most natural key.
case A. And now I have to indent this.
There we go. Now if we test this, if held keys.
And I can...
Oh, I was supposed to do those, stupid. Hippopotamus is squapadiliophobia. Hippopotamus is squapadiliophobia. There's so much powerful stuff. Wait, let me just... I want to experiment. Control X. C. No, Control C. B. If held keys F and G. I'm sorry. And I'm gonna change this to Y. I'm just experimenting, I wanna see. F, G. Wait, what? Oh, Y, oh god. I forgot, wait. But yeah, so. Wait a minute. You could make the most simple player character script using this. The most simple. Like, bro, this would be so hard to do in Pygame, I think. And this is just like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. That would be like 16 lines, bro. Am I doing my math? No, that's 4 times 4. Sorry, guys, I can't do that math that quickly. But yeah, it would be like that 8 lines of code to make a player character script. That's insane by programming standards. Yeah, you also have to do math quickly to do that. So some of my main subjects in school are math, science, and ICT. ICT is just computer and programming. So I'm trying to learn that. Okay, let's get back to the video. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool.
I can just run the game again. And now this thing is only going to move to the right if I press A. And that's all we need. And this could be any letter on your keyboard, any number, or even your mouse keys. It's really flexible. And alright, with that we have our basic object and we have a way to move it. Now, what we can also do, let me add another square, and let's call this suns. You see in a second why. And for this one I want to add a custom texture, so that I can add any kind of picture I want into this. And for this, I am still going to need an entity. And the entity is supposed to be a
What image does he use?
A 2D. And the one
Sorry,
I would
I'm forwarding. I just want to see what image he
and
uses.
then, in my case, I have a folder called Assets. And in that folder, I have a file called, I can just pass, we get Suns from Undertale.
Ooh!
And let's...
You know I'm gonna get N for murder drones. I'm not trying to say that, like, Undertale's a bad game. I haven't even played it. But yeah, I'm trying to get an N. Murder drones. Images. Is my stream still going? Am I loud enough? Because I feel like the music's very loud. I'm gonna bring this a bit closer because I feel like the music's a bit louder than I am. But yeah. So over here, if we go, I'm just gonna get a PNG of N from Murder Drones. Save image as N down, no, home, experiment, Python, Minecraft, save. Oh no, it's a WebP. Will that work? Yeah, I think that'll work. Yeah, what did you do? Control C. And what is the model? I'm sorry, I have so many videos open. I'm considering quad. Yeah, I'm considering changing Dobra. Texture equals sans texture. Texture equals N texture equals load texture. Oh, texture. How do you do this? Wait. Home experiments. Home experiments. Python. Minecraft. And web. Hey, we got a quad. The texture isn't loading. Why?
Let's try now. Let's see what happens. And now we get some in here.
Does he capital L? No, normal L. So how does this work? How is his... Load texture. Minecraft slash n dot web p. Oops. Please work. Are you kidding me? Is the file too big? Let me just check. Yeah, the file might be a little too big, you know? Am I using the correct? Yeah, n.webp. What am I using? n.webp. Oh, it's wait. Python? Oh, it's... I guess in this it's caps lock Minecraft. Let me just try that. Still nothing. Now I'm trying to find out why this works.
And let's try now. Let's see what happens. And now...
Texture. Model equals quad. How? Wait. Slide. Oh, yeah, my God!
You can just pass in here. And let's try now. Let's see what happens.
Is this gonna
And
be
now-
important? Let me just try and resize this. Oh, it might be the file type. Convert P to PNG. Wait. Is this number even real? Yeah, I'm gonna download this stuff, you know. Hopefully inside the mine. Is it inside this already? No. No. Yes, now I'm gonna try and change this to... Yeah, I'm sorry, this is a long stream. You're in it for the long run. Are you kidding me? Oh, this way. Minecraft. What is wrong with this? Wait, why am I able to move this? Why am I able to move this? Oh, I'm so stupid, my God. And well, I can move this, I can't move this, and why is there no end? Dude, I'm gonna crash out.
Now we get Suns from Undertale. Pretty nice and easy. And we can actually make this easier. We don't actually have to do this entire line. We could just pass this straight into here and it would load automatically.
Oh, I was about to end texture. Please work. Are you kidding me? Why does this not work? Missing texture. Minecraft. Let me update the code. What is going on, dude? Where is his assets folder?
So if I run this now, this would also work perfectly fine. So this would be fine, but I generally feel like importing all your textures at the beginning is a more readable way to approach this. But it's ultimately up to you. So with that, we have a couple of really simple objects in our game. But in an actual game, you really want to have more control over all of these things. So this kind of thing is generally just to create really simple ones. If we wanted to create more complex ones, we could also do that. And for that, we have to create an entirely class that inherits from an entity form.